Hello everybody. So, what will happen when a victim uses an insecure website? Well, first of all, he will send a request to run a process on the website. The website will then identify the sender as the victim via his session ID and then carry out the process. As you can see, there is not much defense in this and it can be easily exploited. Now, let's set the scene for a CSRF attack. With the attacker now in the scene, let's see what he's able to do. Well, first he will get the element for running the process. He will then use this element to create a link and send to the victim via email or some kind of social media. The victim will then be tricked into clicking the link via some kind of social engineering and then will be redirected into a YouTube video, Facebook page, etc. However, without the victims knowing, the URL has already sent a request with attacker's process to the website. The website will then identify the sender as from the victim via the session ID and carry out the attacker's process in the name of the victim. In other words, this could also mean that the victim has accidentally sent money through a bank website to the attacker without knowing, and this can be really bad. However, over the years, developers have found ways to counter this problem. So, one of the ways developers have found to prevent CSRF is through the use of tokens. So, let's run back the scene a bit. The attacker will get an element for running the process from the website. He will then create a link to send to the victim via social media. The victim will then be tricked into clicking the link, in which the link will send a request with the attacker's process. The website will then identify this as the victim through the session ID. However, this time it's different. It will then send a request to the database, in which it will compare the victim's token with a token in the database. And you will realize, hang on a second, it's different. Reject the process. It will then deny the request and stop the process from ever happening, therefore preventing CSRF.